guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing the can't hear, can't see and can't speak challenge, baking challenge today. So here are my two co-hosts. We have Skha, yes,
also known as fiance.
Yeah, Garrett.
Hi, I'm Mom.
Really, and then obviously. And then we have me, obviously, as you know, the main person within Mazio. So if you like my energy, if you like my videos, if you like my vibes, don't forget to like, share, comment, or subscribe because I know where you live. So if you don't do those things, ngeza kwakho ebusuku 3 a.m. yimi. Go at your door if you don't do those things. But anyways, let's get.
She didn't get that from Mom.
The video. You promise us I was born and look. If kono bonayo uzoshawa lightning.
Mina ke u cannot hear Beyonce.
Semfuna ukuzukuthi like I vela uzwa wena yo
Ukusiyela mzoleza kanjani ngoba ngiyawuza manje.
Ungambuza umuntu oyawazi ukuthi okay, image.
Okay, please be serious. 3, 2, 1. Now we are starting to replay the song.
Okay, so
I think we need to start with the flour and stuff. The flour and stuff.
Why are you running?
Where is the wooden spoon? Nyamemeza? Is the camera running? However, let me mix up things again. Okay. Like my chocolate chips. What's funny? How many eggs? How many eggs?
Turn it around. Ah, yes.
Yeah, you must find the flour and then you must put the kunjan in the bowl.
And then, no? How many cups? 3. Where's the sift? Hey, when is it time?
It was so bad.
No, it's not. Yeah, okay, disclaimer. The finish it just a sugar, so it's so cut from frosting. But now it's gonna be dangerous. You.
Ooh, in Maserati. It's not 1 spoon.
Yo.
What? Sign language.
Get you then.
You're not in the bowl.
Yo.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'm back. Ooh, cats again, Mela. Next.
Do you vanilla?
You know, I'm thinking, give me the wooden spoon.
Not now.
Where the cooks.
No.
But this is like the worst thing I hate about baking, guys. This thing. Why was I given this? This is discrimination against the little people. Oh.
Imagine. Quantas it cost him? I'm a chocolate chips, man. So you're fine.
It's smooth.
I was swearing again. I'm a chocolate chips.
Is it smooth? Bring back the cook's thingy, please. The wooden light one. That's what works best right now. Take this one out. Okay, but that's basically it because it was smooth, right? Put in there for 5 minutes. She said, she said, hey, you cook for the Kumalapo. Hey, hey, you will see my bad.
Oh, tell me you must cook it.
Never. Now that one, Jay, is not fair. Not fair to me, not fair to the dough, and to the whole baking community. Yeah, okay.
Pick a sign. Okay, only do one here.
Guys, not also got a panini. Of course, it comes with 47 years of experience.
Go, Jill.
Hey, my pants are nice. My work is done.
No, we cannot escape, we cannot come out. Mama.
We.
Oh my. No, I'll
Send help.
So, because we're waiting for the muffins to thingy. We go oven. Yeah, but I was cook. Anyways, I was cook.
You can pray. You can't go to
I was you I got the video shame to show you. So anyways, yeah, so we're gonna wait 15 minutes. The camera cut off while I was explaining because storage is pelile. But anyways, bengichaza ukuthi sesifake izinto ku-oven, so we're gonna wait like 15 minutes for them to like come out of the oven, and then afterwards sizobona how it turned out after layer catastrophe. Yeah, so
the Maserati.
Hey, the Maserati, the mess. Yeah, okay, so it's been 15 minutes, so now we're gonna take. How was this cat?
Hi, I'm mom.
So now we're gonna take them out. Hopefully they came out proper. Hopefully they taste nice. Cause Maserati. But yeah, so now.
That was the second dose of salt.
Yeah, so we're gonna see how like it turned out and all that stuff. So yeah, so man just so we sell can't see
making the cream.
Yeah, it has a very drum Maserati. Yeah.
ibalekile mina ngikuseleni.
So this is how our cakes look like. Cupcakes look like. So Athi ukusha kancane mara
And me, see nothing. Hear no evil, see no evil.
smell.
I can smell the evil.
Scrumdiddly yum yum a purr.
Wait a bit, son. I want a second. Mom. Wait, guys, I need soda. Hey. Hey.
Ah, it's singing here today.
Hey. 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 Wait, I love shooting a something.
Yeah, you got that wrong. Iman, oh my gosh. Next. Salty. Why? Cerebus. I'm gonna hack the salt.
Why can't I make sound?
Why? Ding ding.
Yo.
Ding 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 ding.
Wait. Ding, 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 ding.
This is how it went now. What's the significance? And how much of it though? Tell them when you.
Yo. Caesar.
It's a spoon this one. Where ma? Yo.
Cake, cream, inside.
It is done, okay? It is done in Baku's voice. It is done. Hi, I am Mom, and these are my cousins, Satan.
Great job.
So proud of myself. I said I'm glad. I'm born now.
Gordon Ramsay has got nothing on you, wena darling.
Oh, Tada, mambangara. Tada! Woo! That's a bit zoosy, and
I'm scared. I'm so. But
Are
the
you
room is
jump
creepy.
scare?
We cannot escape when I come out. Yeah. We cannot escape when I come. This is something. We cannot escape. We cannot come out, Mama.
So what would you rate our Tada recipe out of 10?
It is definitely at 9.9 out of 10.
0.1.
The 0.1 goes to the salt.
So we are also.
Oh, okay, 10 out of 10 is no shower.
Okay, Mina, I'd like to say, my many powers came when I was
Hey!
mixing.
What's it?
In the kitchen.
Yes.
Today, Skha on the side, Skha.
Yeah.
But the overall experience of these are giving. I won't lie. So overall, I give it a 9
Okay.
over 10.
Now I think I'd give it like a 9. Presentation-ish, yeah, ne?
No, presentation, not even God knows you can do this.
Exactly, no, actually.
We nailed it.
Yes, actually, Gordon Ramsay has nothing on
us.
Guys.
This is giving. I think you would buy this.
Lapho ngivile 9 mina beku 9.9 nang question. Kanti kufunani empilweni? As ama 2000.
We have a Libra.
Yeah. Hey, cause I'm a
I'm 8.
Yo.
I take him, nigga win.
Yo.
Yes, that's short.
Not the bangs. The bangs. Oh. Not the bangs. The bangs. Oh.
You want to put your limit for you now?
You like me now? Oh. You like another one? Oh. You like this one?